welcome to Little Elves Workshops. If you don't know me, I'm Nina, and if I do know you, hello, how you doing? You're right, good to see you. I was going to do a few shout outs today, in case anybody of you are watching. So I was going to say hello to Rosie, thank you for your encouragement and for watching the videos, thank you. And also Lana and Ava, thank you to you too, and to your mummy too. Hello Olivia, haven't seen you for a while, hope you're alright. Thank you to you and your mum. Hello Max, you alright mate? You doing alright? Look forward to seeing you again soon, hopefully, okay? Wyeth and Savannah, are you out there? Are you out there guys? Are you okay? Missing you, okay? And then Darcy, are you okay? You and your family okay? And chicken's alright? Yeah? Okay, look forward to seeing you all again soon. Now, I promised to do make a game with you, and it was going to be Noughts and Crosses with a difference. I haven't got my bit of paper. Very organised of me. I was just going to do a Noughts and Crosses game, but you already know how to do Noughts and Crosses. So this is my Noughts and Crosses game with a difference. So instead of Noughts and Crosses, how about we do something else, like if, for example, I've done ladybirds and snails, and these are really cute, and they're like just nice little toy things to have anyway. So what you need to do for the ladybirds is to find some stones. So if you've got in your driveway, if you can say to your mum and dad that you'd like to go out and collect some stones, perhaps they'll watch you while you do it, okay? Get some like sort of smooth ones if you can, that are good for painting on. And what you can use, do you have any of these acrylic pens? There was like, we did it here a little while ago, where people were leaving stones for people to find, so lots of people got these acrylic paints because they're really good. If you don't have these, you could use your paints, not your watercolour paints. You'll need to have like poster paints or acrylic paints. You can do your ladybirds however you want to do them. I stuck eyes on mine. Do you have googly eyes? Lots of children have these googly eyes. If you don't have these googly eyes, ask a parent to message me and I'll send some out in the post to you, okay? Also, if you don't have these pens and you don't have the thick paint that we would need, I have got 2 of these little sets of paints, so I can send one of these out to you if you would like, okay? So those are the ladybirds. For the snails, I used this. This is like a brown version of it, and it's this very lightweight clay that just air dries. And I'll show you. If you made a Harry Potter wand with me, you will know this stuff. So you just get a bit of this and then you shape it. It's quite nice and easy to shape into a nice sort of sluggy shape. Little head. I used 2 little wires for the, what do you call them, Bronte?
Antennae.
Yeah, those. But I was thinking, what could you use if you didn't have any little wires around? These were actually from a jewellery making kit. You could use, you know, the wire bits where you can, around the tops of loaves of bread and things like that, the little fasteners. You could use those because they're really easy to bend and they're quite small, so you could use those. And then just put little dots in for the eyes. And then if you've got marbles, these marbles always reminded me of snail shells, especially where they look like going all swirly and they go on the back. If you don't have this clay, I do have this. So if you would like one of these, you can message me, your mum and dad can message me, or if you prefer, I picked up at the supermarket some plasticine. So you can use your plasticine. If you don't have any plasticine, I have these 2 brand new packs and I can send one of these out to you. Okay? But there's all sorts of things you could do. You don't have to do snails and ladybirds. You could get bottle tops from milk cartons or something, the plastic bottle tops there. You could use those as pieces for your noughts and crosses, and you can draw on them. So you could have, I don't know, you could have emojis, you could have a poo, you could have a smiley face, you could have a sunshine, you could have hearts, you can, help me out, Bron, something else. What could you have?
Butterflies and flowers.
Butterflies and flowers.
Cars and planes.
Yeah, cats and dogs.
Cats and dogs. Yeah.
Oh, Darcy, you could have chickens and eggs. Oh, Savannah, you like Minecraft. Perhaps you could use characters from Minecraft on it. You do it how you want to do it, okay? And yeah, I think that's it. So if you would like a shout out from me, ask your mum and dad to message me. If you've done a nice make that we've done an example of making here, I would love it if you could photograph one of your makes and send it to me. That would be really encouraging. Thank you, I'd really like that. Okay, so we've done our snails, we've done our ladybirds, or you've done your equivalent, your emoji poo or whatever, and now you need your board for your Noughts and Crosses game, which is just cardboard. Okay, so you just need to do your 3 by 3 grid here. I just used it the width of the ruler, seemed to work quite well for you to put your little characters on and cut it out. And that's it, you're done. You're good to go. Okay, so I'm going to say goodbye now. So be good to your families. Okay, I know you are. I know you are anyway. And happy making. Send me a photograph if you've made this, okay? Take care, and don't forget, the most important thing is to have lots and lots of fun. Okay, take care till the next time. Bye!